Discount Diva here, coming to you with another Dollar Tree haul that I wanted to share. I picked up a few miscellaneous things that I needed, but I wanted to share with you what I got. So without further ado, I picked up the germx antibacterial. I had seen that you guys had hauled them and I was on the lookout for them and I found them. They had the regular scented, but I went with the aloe because I love the way aloe smells. So these are good, especially, you know, school starts. It's always good to keep this in the car, at home, everywhere. So I picked these two up and they're by germx again, and it's 8 ounces. Then, I don't know, this caught my attention, the Pump Aroma Guru. It says it's a ready-to-use aromatherapy. It's great for massages. It's a natural moisturizer, and it's good to put in your hands, it says. It says the Aroma Guru is a perfect gift for essential oil lovers on the go. For a basic inhalation method, pump a few drops of the Aroma Guru into your hands, rub them together, and then cup them under your nose and breathe in deeply. So I was really intrigued by this. So I said, you know what, let me pick it up. It says it's sweet almond oil and lavender essential oil. And I kind of wanted to try this and see. So let's see what this is about. I'm gonna follow the instructions. And this is by Aroma Guru. So let's see. It says again, pump a few drops into your hands, rub them together, and then cup under your nose. So here it goes. So few. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Rub them together and then cup them under your nose. That's really nice. Ooh. Feels like my my sinuses just got all opened up. I suffer from a lot of sinuses. I always have to take the allergy pill. It's always the same. Like I always have like just a lot of sinuses around here. So this would be a nice thing if I feel like, you know, my sinuses are really aggravated. I could just put this. And it says it's a nice moisturizer, so this would even be nice if you want to just have a little moisturizer around your hands, or that's nice. And it's subtle. It's not like, oh my gosh. It's just a nice scented lavender. I just wanted to look at the ingredients. Oh, okay. So the ingredients does say it's 100% pure lavender, because a lot of times they'll tell you it's lavender, but then they'll have other things that are not natural. So this is nice. It's 100% pure lavender and essential oil and sweet almond. So these are some nice ingredients that this carries. And for $1, you can't go wrong. It's nice to have this, you know, on the go, have it in your bag. Let's say you're having that's what caught my attention. It says is good to relax and de-stress, and it promotes whole body tranquility. It helps soothe skin irritations and burns, and it calms and heightens your emotions, promotes restful sleep. Okay, so these are all the benefits of lavender oil. That's what it's saying. And it helps restore skin complexion, so you can even use it as a moisturizer. Okay. So my line of work is high stress levels. I work for, I don't even want to say where I work for, but it is very high stress level. So this would be a nice little feature, nice little thing to have, not feature, a nice little thing to have on my desk when I'm feeling like I can't deal. Boop, boop, pump a few drops, and then just maybe go for a walk and then come back and deal with things differently. So yeah, that's a nice little thing. I'm glad I picked it up. I've been eyeballing this a few times, and I'm like, I'll pick it up and I'll put it. This time I'm like, you know what? Let me try it out. Not bad, not bad at all. Moving along, I found this Pure Silk Spa Therapy Conditioner. I like to pick up the tea tree oil, and it's tea tree oil and mint. It says it moisturizes, nourishes, and refreshes your hair. It's 14 ounces. I mean, Pure Silk is a really good brand to find at Dollar Tree. That's pretty amazing. And I like to use tea tree oil and mint, because a lot of times, especially around the winter time, your skin tends to get super dry, and your scalp tends to get super dry and a little flaky, and I find that the tea trees and mints are very, very helpful around the winter time. So to be able to have picked up one of these is not bad at all at the Dollar Tree. And to combine it, because I didn't see the shampoo, I found this Dollar Tree that I went to. They had like a whole bottom shelf of all the types of VO5. Like they had one for moisture, moisturizing, dry scalp, clarifying. So I picked up the dry scalp to go with. I mean, it's not the same brand, but like I said, around the winter time, I tend to have a lot of dryness in my scalp. I mean, I guess most people do, because it's so dry and cold. So I figured this would be a good thing. It's 5 vitamin formula. It's 11 ounces, and it says it soothes and relieves, and it has almond oil. Same thing as the lavender oil, the lavender guru oil. Then I found this coconut aloe vera facial mist, and this is by Bolero. And I figured this would be also a nice thing to put in your bag, or like, let's say you're going away, you're in the airplane and you feel your face is dry, you could just spray yourself. Or if you're at work and you're feeling like your face is just dry and you need like a nice facial mist, a nice pick-me-up, what better than coconut aloe vera? It says it's moisture, it moisturizes and brightens you. And I'm gonna spray it right now. Hopefully my eyelashes don't come off. Oh, that feels good. That feels nice. And the coconut is very subtle. That felt nice. I like it. And it's 5 ounces. It says free of parabens and dyes. And again, this is by Bolero. Not bad. And I like the fact that it's the coconut and the aloe. This would be nice too, like if, you know, for the summertime, around this time you're at the beach and you got like a bad like you got bad sunburn. Cause I don't tan, I burn. I burn red and then I get a nice color. So this would be nice, like if you got like burns around your face from, you know, sitting out in the sun, and you just spray yourself, especially that it has the aloe vera. So that's good, that's good. And you could even put these in the refrigerator. I like to always keep an aloe vera lotion in the refrigerator all the time, just in case, because like I said, I burn, and my husband and my girls are the same way, because we're so fair, we burn red. And I like to have the aloe vera because it just soothes, it's very soothing and calming. So that's a nice little spray, and for $1. I also saw these fragrant mist, and it's melon and plum, and I sprayed it at the store, and I loved the smell, and it's very subtle. That's what I was looking for, something not too, because at my job there's people who have allergies with certain sprays, so if you spray around them, you know, it's a big deal. So that's why I was looking for something that would be not so potent and strong, where everyone will like know that you instantly just sprayed yourself. So I like this, and it says it has vitamin C and E, and it's melon and plum, and this is by Forever, and it's called Pure Attraction, and it's 8.4 ounces. So this will be a nice little thing to carry on with you. Even if you're walking around and there's some funky smells, you're like, hey, listen, you gotta be prepared for everything. I feel like I carry everything in my bag, you know? Also, I noticed that, you know, being that right now it's the season where all the flies are around, you're getting bitten, mosquito bites, just all kinds of insect bites. I thought this was interesting, the anti-itch cream by Dr. Sheffield's. It's a bandage histamine blocking, and it says it relieves you from poison ivy, poison oak, insect, what can I say? I can't speak. Insect bites. And it says it relieves you from itching, from insect bites and skin irritation. So I said, let me pick this up, because it's not fun to have these mosquito bites, and it's so itchy and it burns and you're just scratching and it's just getting irritated and it's getting red. So I want to try these. It's 1.25 ounces, and it has zinc acetate and diphenhydramine hydrochloride 2%. I can't believe I said that. And it says it's temporary relief from pain and itching associated with insect bites, minor burns, sunburn, minor skin irritation, rashes due to poison ivy. It dries from the oozing and weeping of poison ivy, oak, and sumac. So I'm gonna try that out. Anti-itch cream for insect bites. You can't go wrong with having this in your medicine cabinet. Always prepared for everything. Then I found these cute little socks. It says Milk BFF with the cookies, and it's 2 pairs, women's crew socks. So I thought that was really cute. This one I thought this was, to me it was new. It's the LA Colors Mega Grow Nail Treatment, and it helps protect problem nails. It has vitamins A and E for maximum growth. I picked this one up only because I'm constantly doing the press-on nails, and this is a nice little, you know, just a little help with my nails. It's a little nail treatment that I picked up to help my nails. Like I said, being that I'm always putting on the press-on nails, this will be a nice little protective shield. And it's 0.44 ounces. And yeah, I haven't seen these before, so I picked it up. It's the nail treatment to help protect problem nails by LA Colors. And then I found a BB cream by Sassy Chic, and this is the dark. I picked this one up because I'm still trying to find something to contour. I haven't tried this yet. I do want to try it out because I want to learn to contour around here and here. I believe you have to do like a 3: forehead, chin, forehead, cheeks, and chin. So I want to try it with the dark just to give it a nice contouring. So I figured I picked that up. And this was in the mix of nail polishes. And what caught my eye is that it's Be Matte. It's a city color lipstick. I don't have a mirror on me, but I'm just gonna try it out and swatch it for you. Hopefully I don't do a bad job. And this is M13 Coral. I love corals, reds. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but I have been holding a lot of the bright colors. I just love the bright colors. But who doesn't like a nice matte lipstick, right? So I'm gonna swatch this out for you guys. I kind of already know like how to apply without having a mirror in front of me, so bear with me. It doesn't look bad. All right, here goes. I hope I'm doing a good job, guys. but it's not super dry. Like, I don't like the matte lipsticks that you feel like you just applied some glue and it's like stuck, literally stuck on your lips the whole day. Like, I like mattes, and I like the mattes that, you know, even when you're drinking something, it's kind of still on your lips. You don't have to keep reapplying. I like those matte lipsticks or the lip stains, but I don't like them where like you're just like kind of peeling your lips off because you're trying to take the color off. That's a little too much. It feels like glue. But let me tell you, it doesn't feel bad at all. I don't know how it looks, like I said, because I'm just swatching it for you guys, but I'm gonna apply. I don't know how it looks because, like I said, I don't have the mirror on me, but it doesn't feel bad at all, actually. So this is not bad. I've never seen this brand at the Dollar Tree. It's City Color. I don't know if you guys have pulled this in the past. If not, let me know. Comment below if you guys have tried this. Let me know what you think about it. It does not feel bad at all on my lips. And I don't know what the color looks like, but I hope it looks good. I don't know. I just figure it's a nice, cute little color. And that was it. That was my another I'm so sidetracked. Another colorful extension that I picked up. I'm having too much fun with these colorful extensions. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I wanted to share with you guys I'm telling you, that lavender oil is, and it just went right into my skin. It doesn't even feel oily or anything. So that's nice. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and hit the subscribe button. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Until next time, Discount Diva.